Milan is the second largest city in Italy and has made a successful transition to a post-industrial city, generating wealth through services, trade fairs, creative industries, technology, and as a financial center. It is home to a cultural heritage that dates back to the Roman Empire, including the Duomo Cathedral and Castello Sforzesco. Milan is also home to Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, which has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Milan has always been a rich and important city. It is the biggest industrial city of Italy with many different industrial sectors. It is a magnetic point for designers, artists, photographers, and models. Milan has an ancient city center with high and interesting buildings and palazzos, which is why so many people from all over the world want to see the city of glamour. Milan is the center of many financial businesses. It is the biggest industrial city of Italy with many different industrial sectors as manufacturing of textiles and garments, car manufactory, chemistry, mechanical tools, and heavy machinery. Another important industry is tourism and of course fashion.